CleanMyMac versus free Mac cleanup tools. Is the paid app worth it? CleanMyMac sits in a different category from most free Mac cleanup. Utilities. It is an all-in-one maintenance suite combining junk removal, app management, storage analysis, privacy tools, and malware scanning. Free tools usually focus on one specific job, for example, uninstalling apps or finding large files. The right choice depends on whether you value convenience or control. Where CleanMyMac wins, 1. Convenience. The biggest advantage is that everything is in one interface. Remove junk files, scan for malware, remove apps completely, find large files, manage startup items, update apps. Its smart care workflow combines multiple maintenance tasks into a single process for someone who does not want to research which folders are safe to delete. This is the main benefit. 2. Better app removal experience. Dragging an app to trash can leave behind preferences, cache files, support, folders, login helpers. CleanMyMac's applications tools are designed to remove an app and related files together. Free alternatives can also do this well, but usually require a separate application. 3. Security layer. Many free cleaners are only cleanup tools. CleanMyMac adds malware, scanning and privacy-related checks through its protection module. It uses MacPaw's Moonlock engine for malware detection. However, it should not be confused with a full security suite. No replacement for safe browsing habits, not a firewall, not a virtual private network, not enterprise endpoint protection, where free tools can be better. 1. They avoid unnecessary automation. MacOS already manages many things well: memory management, system caches, temporary files, background optimization. A technical user may prefer manually choosing what gets removed rather than pressing a cleanup button. 2. Specialized free tools can beat an all-in-one app. A best-of-breed free toolkit might look like app removal, app cleaner, good for removing apps, finding leftover files. System maintenance. Onyx, good for maintenance scripts. System settings, troubleshooting tools, storage visualization. Grand perspective, good for seeing what consumes disk space, finding huge forgotten files. Example, free toolkit versus CleanMyMac. Free approach. You might install app cleaner, uninstall apps, Onyx, maintenance. Grand perspective, storage analysis, MacOS built-in tools, security, and storage. Cost, $0, control, high, convenience, medium, CleanMyMac approach. One app handles cleanup, protection, applications, performance, storage management, cost, paid. Control, medium, convenience, high. Who should buy CleanMyMac? Good fit, non-technical users, people managing multiple Macs, users with years of accumulated files, people who want a simple maintenance dashboard, users who frequently install or remove apps. Who should use free tools? Better fit, power users, developers, people comfortable checking files manually, users who only need one specific function, anyone who dislikes background utilities. Performance reality check. A cleanup app will not transform a Mac with too little RAM, aging hardware, a failing SSD, a slow CPU. The biggest performance improvements usually come from 1. Freeing storage space. 2. Removing unnecessary startup apps. 3. Updating macOS or apps. 4. Identifying resource-heavy processes. CleanMyMac is mainly a maintenance and convenience tool, not a hardware performance booster. Bottom line, choose CleanMyMac if you want one polished app that handles Mac maintenance. Choose free tools if you want to understand and control every cleanup action. For most experienced Mac users, free tools can reproduce much of CleanMyMac's functionality. For many everyday users, the time saved and simpler workflow are what they are paying for.